Hi everyone, I'm Dave, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the school report AI tool on Learnt.ai. So head over, create your account, head over to generate content section. In the evaluation tools section you'll find school report. So you can see it's generate text for a school report based on their name, their subject and their performance. So let's say there's 3 boxes you need to complete: student's name and their pronouns, subject, what subject are you talking about, and then a summary of how they've performed, and you can choose how many options you produce. So let's say the name is Dave, he, him, subject is history, and good contribution in class, can get distracted, needs to spend more time on his homework. Let's say we want 1 option generated, and then this will go away and it will create a paragraph that you can drop into your school report. So and it will be customized, it will be based on the summary of the performance that you've given here, and it will come across in first person, so you should be able to take the elements that you like and discard anything that you don't. So you can see Dave has performed well in history class this semester. He's consistently shown his great interest in the subject, has made valuable contributions during the class discussions. His participation in group activities and projects has been commendable, and he's shown a great deal of initiative in his creativity and work. If you're happy with it, you can either save it, which will store it in your dashboard in the My Account, or you can copy and paste it directly into the school report. This is one of the most popular tools, but have a play around with it and let me know what you think.